Good evening, sir.
Manish, right now.
Yes, sir.
Manish, tell me something about yourself. अपने बारे में बताएं.
Sir, I passed my 10th standard from DAV Public School.
Yeah.
I passed my senior secondary from Surendranath Centenary School, Ranchi. And I graduated from National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur in Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
You have job experience, right now?
Yes, I was there for 6 months and then I quit and started preparing for the civil service.
Which company?
Capgemini India Private Limited.
क्या वर्क था वहाँ पे आपका?
सर वहाँ पर मेरा ये था सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, बट माय रोल वाज टेस्टिंग, सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग.
ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग.
यस सर.
ये ऑटोमेशन मीन्स क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एप्रोप्रिएट मीनिंग ऑफ ऑटोमेशन?
ऑटोमेशन मीन्स सर any work which you automate by using program or machines, that is automation.
And your optional subject is history,
Yes
right?
sir.
तो आपने बीटेक कर रखा है.
Yes sir.
Then हिस्ट्री क्यों ऑप्ट किया?
Sir, because there was overlapping between the syllabus of prelims and history optional. Lot many questions of history comes in the prelims exam, and also history is interesting to me. That is why.
मीन्स आपके कहने का अर्थ हुआ हिस्ट्री इंटरेस्टिंग है
हाँ, yes sir.
as compared to technical background this subject, right now?
No sir, I didn't mean that. History I like, that is why I opted. But electrical engineering is also good and interesting. But the syllabus in prelims, that was very much similar, and with many questions from the history is asked in prelims exam. That is
Weightage of history is more
more,
than
yes sir.
the technical subject. आप ये कहना चाह रहे
Yes sir.
हैं? नेटो का नाम सुना है?
Yes sir.
Ever about NATO?
Yes sir. It stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization.
So how many countries are member?
So 30
30
countries.
countries. Recently दो यूरोपियन कंट्री ने इसके लिए अप्लाई किया. ये कंट्रीज कौन से थे?
Sir, Sweden and Norway.
स्वीडन एंड नॉर्वे.
Finland sir,
Finland.
not Norway.
नॉर्वे क्या है? नॉर्वे क्या ऑलरेडी नेटो मेंबर है या फिर उसको नहीं चाहिए?
Sir, they were already a member.
ऑलरेडी मेंबर है.
Yes sir.
What is universal basic income? Have you heard it?
Yes sir, yes sir. I have heard the sir, it's a basic minimum amount of income that must be earned by every people in the society.
What is impact on economy if government allot universal basic income? How they influence
Sir, the government's fiscal deficit will increase.
fiscal deficit?
Yes sir.
Okay. Fiscal deficit means revenue deficit or capital deficit, like both
No,
are
sir.
increased.
Fiscal deficit is total expenditure minus revenue receipt plus non-debt creating capital receipt.
Okay, non-debt.
Yes sir.
So which types of expenditure increased? Revenue expenditure increased or capital expenditure increased due to universal basic income?
So it will be revenue expenditure because it will be on regular basis. That is why revenue expenditure will increase.
Recently गवर्नमेंट ने सेक्स वर्कर को
Yes sir.
लीगलाइज्ड किया. क्या आप इससे एग्री करते हो?
So on the
गवर्नमेंट ने सॉरी
Honorable
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
Supreme
ने
Court
अलाउ किया. हाँ.
Yes sir. They are also human beings. Their job must be respected. This is what Supreme Court has said. Their work must be respected.
Their work must be respected.
Yes sir.
तो क्या इसका कुछ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट भी पड़ेगा हमारी सोसाइटी पे?
Yes sir.
क्या पड़ सकता है?
Sir, many of the sex workers are it's positive. This may have health. This will create health problem in the society if unprotected sex is done.
ठीक है. My last question is, आप कहीं के SDM आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया, ठीक? If you are SDM और एक लेस्बियन कपल ने आपको मैरिज में अपने मैरिज में इनवाइट किया, क्या आप जाओगे?
सर पॉसिबल रहा और अगर उनका जो मैरिज का डेट है if that is not coinciding with any other important work, official or lives or legal.
ठीक.
Censorship.
Yes, censorship of the movies.
Oh, sorry, I got it wrong. The Central Film Certification Board is there.
So which ministry is ruling that board?
Sir, I'm not sure.
So I'll be asking one question. The last question of mine will be related to Ashoka. Okay. The Dhamma policy.
Yes, sir, I'm not.
Some of the historians say that the Dhamma policy adopted by Ashoka was only the political. Like he knew that I won't be ruling this much of a state or this much of territory with the help of power by the force. So Dhamma policy was a kind of policy that was only focused to expand their territory. Do you agree with that? As Romila Thapar has mentioned this statement, it was just a conspiracy or kind of thing.
Sir, it can. Some arguments can be in favor and in against also because it is debatable. Sir, that Ashoka knew that he was ruling a vast territory having many communities, and these that Brahmanas and Kshatriyas, he knew that they will revolt at some point of time. So to reduce their militancy, he deliberately started propagating such ideals that will reduce their militancy and start focusing on the moral codes, moral norms. That was he basically started propagating that war means nothing and the world must be won by Dhamma. So this is one point, and if we say to counter this, that Dhamma was not only for political gains, it was also for cultural values also, because it really helped in decreasing the militancy and started enhancing the moral lives of the people.
What is special about this today? Is there anything which is special about today?
Yes, sir, yes, World Environment Day, June 5.
What is the theme of it for this year?
Only one earth, I think.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure, sir.
Okay, Manish,
Yes.
your post preference is Bihar Financial Services.
Yes,
Top,
sir.
right? What is the reason behind Bihar Financial Services?
Sir,
Why
because
don't have you opt SDM?
sir, not like that.
Okay, that's why.
Yes, sir.
But money ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है, money only है financial services में पैसा.
नहीं, no, sir.
नहीं ना?
No, sir.
Then second option is like RDO.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है Manish. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Can wait for some time. Then we'll go.